guys, welcome back to my channel. So if you're seeing this face for the very first time, hi, I'm Antara. I make videos on fashion, lifestyle, makeup, vlogs and a lot of different content. So if you find my videos useful or fun or interesting, whatever, you need to subscribe to my channel. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and also hit the small bell so you get notified every time I upload a video. I'm really excited because I am going to share my Nykaa haul with you people. So I hope everyone knows there was a Nykaa sale, the Nykaa Pink Friday sale that was going on. And yes, I did a little bit of shopping because the offers were like crazy. Okay, like the crazy offers that was going on, and I didn't want to miss this opportunity of getting all the products in such discounted rates. So I've already received all my products today, so I'm going to share with you everything that I got from the sale. I have got one skincare and one hair care product, and the these are the repurchase. So I'm going to show you. These are like the staple product that I use and I absolutely love them. So first of all is this Mamaearth argan hair mask. So I freaking love this stuff. It actually makes my hair so smooth. I have completed emptied 2 dabba. This is a third dabba. I've got this Mamaearth argan hair mask. This is a product I really love. I do not wear a lot of hair masks and stuff like that, but this I really like. I really love this product. So I've got this one, definitely a repurchase. And the second thing is this one. This is the Mamaearth Upton face mask. I love this stuff. Like honestly, I don't know if this will sound weird, I do not like wearing face masks. I do not like wearing sheet masks as well, because sheet mask का वो जो चिपचिपा serum होता है ना, I do not like that. It keeps dripping from my neck and I hate that. Okay, skin. This however is a very good face mask if you have dull skin. Like this actually brightens your skin really nicely. I really like using it before any special occasion, like कोई शादी का invitation है या फिर birthday है, कुछ भी है, तो I like applying this the previous day, not the day on the day itself, the previous day. So the next day it actually brightens the skin really nicely. So this is also repurchased. And also since I've got this long back, I do not remember the prices, like the discounted prices. So all the discounted prices will be up on the screen right here, so you can just check that out. I actually got a lot of foundation. So the first foundation that I've got, this foundation, I am going to put up a separate review for this review video because I'm really excited to try this out. This is the Olivia foundation. Okay, this is the Olivia liquid foundation in the shade 02 Natural Glow. This foundation retails for 120 rupees. Yes, 120 rupees. I've heard good things about this. I've got good reviews. I have watched reviews from Nidhi and from Anindita, so they have raved this foundation and I really wanted to try this out, so I've got this one. This was also on a discount. I do not remember the price. It was for around 100 rupees, 102 rupees, I don't know. Yeah, it was around like that, 102 rupees. So I've got this foundation. I am definitely going to put up a separate review for this foundation. The second foundation is also a very raved about foundation. So many people have been raving about this foundation, and finally I've got this one. This is a Nykaa Skin Shield Anti-Pollution Foundation. Retails for 799 rupees. So I didn't want to spend 799 rupees for a foundation, which I feel like is a decent price. Okay, like Infallible and NYX foundation, these are all priced at 1400, 1500 or 1200 rupees. In comparison for of those, this retails for 799 is a good price, but still I didn't want to wanted to spend 799 rupees. The price will be here in the screen, on the screen somewhere. But yeah, I got finally got this Nykaa foundation, Nykaa Skin Shield foundation. I am in the shade 08 Pure Olive. So this is the NYX Stay Matte but Not Flat foundation. Yes, Stay Matte. This is the old product. This is not even a new launch, not a product which is newly formulated or anything. This is a very old product. NYX का ये foundation is a very good foundation. Yeah, this shade is called medium beige, but obviously this is a little bit dark for my skin tone. Probably 1 or 2 shade darker for my skin tone, so I have to mix something else with this before applying, because if I would apply this by itself, it's going to be a little dark for my skin tone. So this is the next foundation I've got. NYX. This foundation is everywhere. Everyone is using this foundation. Every blogger, every YouTuber, everyone is using this foundation, and this is none other than the NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. So I was also wondering to buy this. This retailed for around 1400 rupees, if I'm not wrong. 1300 rupees, yeah. This retailed for 1300 rupees. Again, I got this in a discounted price. I guess this was around 900 rupees, yeah. So yeah, so I've got this. This is in the shade beige, CSWSF11. okay, this is in the shade beige. Again, my skills of buying foundation online sucks like really bad. I've got it in a darker shade. So the next foundation I have got is the L'Oreal Infallible 24 hours demi matte foundation in the shade 104 golden beige. This retails for around, again, 700-800 rupees. Again, I got this on a discount, and this was for around 500 rupees, I guess so. Okay, this is also a very raved about foundation, a very good foundation, so definitely I had to give this a try. So yeah, so this is the last foundation. This is the L'Oreal Infallible Fresh Wear 24 Hours Foundation. So this is also a very raved about foundation. I have the Infallible 24 Hours Matte Foundation. This is the Fresh Wear Foundation. It's a different foundation. Do not get confused. The packaging is exactly the same, like exactly ditto packaging. Both of this foundation, if you keep them side by side, you are going to get confused, like I'm 100% sure. So this is the Fresh Wear foundation, and my shade is called 140 golden beige. So these two are the same shade, and probably these are like the perfect shade for my skin. Yeah. So also I was thinking of making a video of the Infallible Fresh Wear versus the Infallible Matte 24 Hours Foundation. If you want to see that comparison video, you need to just comment. So next I've got some concealers. So the first concealer that I've got is the NYX Professional HD. So next I've got some concealers. So this is the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer, and obviously I've got a wrong shade. I've got the shade beige, if I'm not wrong. I don't know, it says CW3, and this has a very strong pink undertone. I'm going to show you. See? So I don't know how I'm going to use this, because obviously this is a complete wrong shade for my skin tone. So this is that. This was I got this for 300 something. I'm going to mention everything on the screen, so you're going to find it out. The next concealer that I've got is the LA Girl Pro Conceal. This is the shade Yellow Corrector. Yeah. So yeah, this actually will brighten my under eye, and that is the reason I've got this. This is in the shade Yellow Corrector. And the next concealer that I've got is the Swiss Beauty Concealer. So I've heard so many good things about it. So yeah, the only problem which I'm really disappointed is the shade. This is the shade 05, and I'm going to show you the shade. This is so light. How can this be 05? I don't know. I thought the 05 is going to be a little darker, so that I could just conceal the spots and I could conceal the under eyes and spot, but this is so light. I have to use this for like brightening my under eyes. Again, shade problem. Okay, so that is all the concealers that I've got. Now I'm going to show you this. I have got two blushes from the Wet n Wild Color Icon range. So these are two blushes. I wanted to get the mellow wine shade, but that was out of stock. So I've got this shade called Apricot in the middle and this shade called Pearlescent Pink. I have the Pearlescent Pink on my cheeks right now, but this shade, I don't know, like, it's so chalky. Do you see that? It's very chalky, it doesn't show up on your face. I don't like it, but this Pearlescent Pink shade is nice. It also comes with a small brush like this, which is pretty much useless, and then this is the shade. Can you see? Yeah, this is a pretty pink color. The only thing that I don't like is that shimmer particle. Can you see that shimmer? The next thing that I've got is a highlighter. So this is the Maybelline Master Chrome in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I already have the Molten Gold and I love that highlighter so much. This is in the shade Molten Rose Gold. I heard this is a good highlighter. I love highlighters. If you know me, you know I love highlighters. So I've already got the rose gold one. I've got the rose gold. Now I have got the K Beauty Kajal. This is the shade black. No, Spade. It's called Spade. That is black only. So this is how the packaging looks like. Wait, I haven't opened this. So the next thing that I've got is this eyeliner. Liquid eyeliner. This is a Maybelline Colossal Bold Liner. Lasts up to 24 hours. Bold black, smudge proof, waterproof. Retails for 249 rupees. Again, I obviously got this on a discount from Nykaa. I love the packaging, like yellow and black. This is the packaging. Looks really nice though. I'm going to just, this wing you can see I have made this using this. So yeah. Oh, nice. You see, you can make thick lines, thin line as well. So the tip is nice. No, obviously this has brush tip, not felt tip. So I do not like felt tip liners. I like liners that have, you know, brush tip. So now I'm going to share some lipsticks with you that I've got. So I've got this three. Maybelline had good offer on the matting, so I've got the matting. I've got three shades of the Maybelline matting lipstick. So first is in the shade 80 Ruler, and then 115 Founder, and then 15 Lover. So this retails for around 600 rupees if I'm not wrong. 650 rupees. Again, obviously I got this. This retails for 650 rupees, but obviously I've got discount on these as well. So yeah. And now next stuff is these lipsticks from Blue Heaven liquid lipsticks. Blue Heaven matte elegance matte lip color. These are the shades. So I've got in the shade 06 and 07. Let me swatch. This is 06. So okay, this retails for 105 rupees. Again, obviously I got this on a discount. So the last thing, and this is a free product that I've got. This is a L'Oreal Gentle Lip and Eye Makeup Remover for waterproof makeup. So this is the remover. This is probably an oil based one. You have to just shake it before you use. So this is the thing. I've got this free. retails for 390 rupees, cost me 0. So yeah, so these are all the products that I've got from the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Definitely you should catch the Pink Friday sale because the discounts are really crazy. So that's it, that's the haul. So if you like any of this product, or if you so if you like any of this product, or if you want to see any particular review on any of the particular product, you just write it down on the comment section and I'm going to go through, and definitely I am going to make a review video. So yeah, that's it for today. If you like my videos, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, and yeah, so stay safe and stay happy. Bye guys.